Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to change USDT to TRX in Binance. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your Binance account. So visit the Binance website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Now navigate to the trading interface. So once logged in, click on the Trade or Exchange tab in the top menu to access the trading interface. Select the trading pair. In the trading interface, locate the Search or Market Selection box. Type USDT in the search box to filter the trading pairs. Look for the USDT or TRX trading pair or the TRX market. Now place a sell order. In the USDT or TRX trading pair or TRX market section, you will find the trading chart and order placement options. Select the sell tab or section. Now enter the amount to sell. Specify the amount of USDT you want to exchange for TRX. You can enter the amount manually or use the available balance to calculate the amount you want to sell. Now review the transaction details. Double-check the transaction details, including the amount to sell, the current market price, and any associated fees. Now place the sell order. Once you are satisfied with the transaction details, click on the Sell or Place Order button to submit your sell order. The USDT will be sold and you will receive TRX in return. Now monitor the order execution. So after placing the sell order, monitor the order execution and wait for it to be filled. You can track the progress in the Open Orders or Order History section. Now this is the last step, access your TRX balance. So once the sell order is completed, you will see the TRX balance in your Binance wallet. You can verify this by going to the wallet or funds section and searching for TRX. So please note that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile and market conditions may change rapidly. It is essential to review the transactions details and be mindful of any associated fees or market fluctuations when trading on Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange. Okay? And that is how you change USDT to TRX on Binance. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.